Hello and a very warm welcome with another informative UPDF video. Today we will learn how to add an action button to the PDF form on Mac. Over time, users need easy accessibility to their PDF forms. And this can be done by adding the action buttons using the base PDF form filling tool. Before proceeding with the video, find the link given in the description to download UPDF for your Mac. After you are done with the UPDF installation process, follow the steps outlined in this video to add an action button to the PDF form on Mac. Launch the UPDF. Access the Open File button to import the PDF form. Head to Prepare for mode. Now hit the button icon. Afterward, tap anywhere on your PDF to add an action button in that spot. Once added, double-click it to explore the properties and customize the general style and action settings as per needs. Also, change the action button layout to 6 different options. Before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification button. That way, you will get a notification for our future updates, and we will see you in another helpful review soon.